Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and this is our detailed review of the Tribit Stormbox 2 portable speaker. If you're on the lookout for a powerful, versatile and stylish portable speaker, stay tuned as we dive into the features, specifications and performance. The Tribit Stormbox 2 is designed to be your ultimate portable audio companion. You get the nice cardboard retail box printed with product details and specification. Inside the box, you get a Type-C charging cable, a user guide and the speaker. Let's quickly check the key specification. It comes with Bluetooth 5.3 and you get up to 24 hours playback time on full charge, and charging time is around 4 hours. This is perfect to use in outdoors thanks to IPX7 waterproof rating. It has 34 watt output power. When it comes to dimension, it is 180 by 69 by 69 millimeters, and the speaker weighs about 585 grams, which makes perfect travel companion. As an additional features, you get XBass technology and stereo pairing. Now let's take a closer look at the design, which seamlessly blends functionality with aesthetics. The speaker comes with a sleek and modern design, making it not just an audio powerhouse but also a visually appealing accessory. Thanks to its compact size and lightweight build, it makes highly portable, fitting easily into bags and backpacks for on-the-go music. The exterior of the Stormbox 2 is wrapped in a durable fabric mesh that provides a premium feel and ensures protection against bumps and scratches. This fabric also contributes to the speaker's IP67 waterproof rating, safeguarding it from the dust and water immersion for up to 30 minutes. On the side of the speaker, you will find a set of easy-to-use control buttons. This includes the power button, Bluetooth, the dedicated XBass button to enhance bass performance with a simple press. It is a standoff feature designed with a unique texture to make it easily distinguishable by touch. This allows for quick access to boost the bass level without needing to look at the speaker. After that, you get the TWS button, where you can pair two Stormbox 2 speakers for a true stereo sound experience. The process is straightforward, and the speakers connect seamlessly, enhancing your audio experience with the broader soundstage. The secure flap that protects the USB-C charging port and the 3.5mm auxiliary input. Flap ensures that the port remains water and dust resistant, maintaining the speaker's durability in various environments. At the side of the speaker, you will find the large volume up and down buttons, the multifunctional button for play, pause and track navigation. One of the practical design elements is the integrated fabric handle. This handle makes it convenient to carry the speaker around or hanging it in a hook, providing flexibility in how you use and transport the speaker. Whether you are using it at home, by the pool or on a hiking trip, the design of the Tribit Stormbox 2 is crafted to withstand various environments while delivering outstanding audio performance. Setting up the speaker is straightforward. You can download the Tribit app, which is available on both iOS and Android devices. Simply follow the on-screen guide to pair the speaker with your device. Using the app, you can simply control the volume level, play, pause or skip the tracks, as well as apply preset equalizers available or customize your own one. Also, you can perform software update when available, set up countdown timer to power off the speaker, and enable pre-installed voice prompt using the smart app. In summary, the Tribit Stormbox 2 portable speaker combined as a rugged and stylish design with user-friendly features, making it perfect choice for music lovers who need a reliable and attractive portable speaker. Its thoughtful design element ensures it performs well and looks good doing it. Thanks for watching our review of the Tribit Stormbox 2. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews and tech insights. And see you in the next video.